Hello everyone. Today we have a set of standard cables which are copper, and we'll try to use one of the ceramic sleeves, and let's see how it helps in reducing the burr and improving the weld quality. We take the ceramic sleeves and place both the wires so that the sleeve is in the middle of both the joints. And we clamp it into the welding jaws. Once it is clamped, we reduce the gap setting back to its original position and then adjust the knob, and here we have to adjust the current value and go for the weld. So the weld takes automatically and gets cut off. Now we'll take use of a hammer to smash So the strength has come out pretty good and there's no burr. Thank you.